Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking chapter 2 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, and many more courses. I will handle your complete course. If you need help in any assignment, any exam, any quizzes, or you want to do for complete course, please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I will provide you A plus grade in your complete course. No plagiarism. You can see this. I have done this course for my other student and he got A plus grade in all assignment. You can see this. Excel chapter 7, Excel chapter 5, Excel chapter 4, Excel chapter 4, chapter 2. Okay, you can see this. He got A plus graded. Now moving on. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. First we will enable editing. Okay, now title of assignment is XP22 Excel chapter 2 Cumulative Garten Furniture Instruction. Okay, here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now moving on customer 1. In customer 1, start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel chapter 2 Cumulative Furniture Sale Guard. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab Dashboard portal. You can download this file from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. You can see this my file. Okay, I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. Now moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that insert a function in cell C3 to display the current date and ensure that the format is set as a long date. Okay, basically in this question we will have to insert a function in cell C3 to display the current date. Moving on Excel workbook, first we enable editing on Excel workbook and then click on cell C3. Okay, enter is equal to, then click on formula and then click on date and time and then click on and then press OK. It will be okay. Enter is equal to, then click on formula, then click on date and time and then here is to do function. Okay, then press OK. This is done. Now you can see this format is set as a long date. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell C3 and then click on home tab and then click on number group and then long date. Here is long date. Okay, set column C way to auto with. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on column C and then click on format tab, auto fit with column. This is done now. Now moving on customer 4. In customer 4, insert a function inside D11 to display the item name based on the provided inventory lookup information in the range B24 to D29. Be sure to use the appropriate absolute cell references and the function return an exact match. Copy the function from cell D11 down through D19 to complete unit column D. Okay, basically in this question we will have to insert a function in cell D11 to display the item name based on the provided inventory lookup information in the range B24 to D29. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, then click on cell D11, enter a function VLOOKUP function. Okay, then we will display name based on provided inventory lookup information B24 to D29. Okay, VLOOKUP function and then click on C11 and then B24 to B29. You can copy this range. Okay, enter dollar sign, shift and press 4 for dollar sign. Okay, to the range B24 to 29 and D11 through the D19. Okay, and we show the prepared absolutes are reference and the function return an exact match. Okay, statement is true and then false. Okay, then press enter. C11, B24 to D29, B24 to D29. Okay, sorry, here is mistake. Okay, you can see this atoms names in D11. Okay, copy the function from cell D11 down through D19, complete column D. D11 through D19. D11 through D19. You can see this. All atom will be shown in here. Atom names shown will be here. Now moving on to next question. Question number 5. Insert a function in cell F11 to display the atom price based on the provided inventory lookup information. Be sure to use appropriate absolute cell references and the function return an exact match. Copy the function from cell F11 down through F19 to complete column F. Basically, in this question, we will have to insert a function in cell F11 to display the atom price based on the provided inventory lookup information. Be sure to use appropriate absolute cell references and the function return an exact match. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, then click on cell F11. Okay, enter a VLOOKUP function, enter a VLOOKUP function, and then C11, and then use inventory lookup information B24 to D29, B24 to D29, enter dollar sign in here, shift and then press 4 for dollar sign, shift and then press 4 for dollar sign, shift and then press 4, shift and then press 4, D29. Okay, C11, B24 to D29, and then 3, and then statement is false. Okay, and then statement is false. Okay, here is price. It will be shown price in here. You can see this. It will be fine. Okay, insert a function to display the atom price. Atom price will be shown in here. You can see. Copy down the formula. Copy down the function F11 down through F19. Copy down the function is here. You can see this. All atom price will be shown in here in column F. Now moving on next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is that apply currency format to column F. Column F is selected and then go to the home tab and then click on number group and then apply currency format on column F. Okay, now moving on question number 7. Question number 7 is that insert an if function in cell G11 to calculate the total due. If the customer has chosen delivery column B is equal to yes, there is an additional delivery charges located in cell L11. Located in cell L11. If the item is not delivered, the total dues is price. Be sure to use appropriate relatives and absolute cell references. Copy the function from cell G11 down through G19 to complete column G. Basically, in this question, we will have to insert a if function in cell G11 to calculate the total dues. Okay, we will insert a if function in cell G11 to calculate the total dues. Okay, if necessary has chosen delivery column E is equal to yes, there is an additional delivery charge located in cell L11. Okay, moving on Excel workbook and then click on cell G11 and enter a function. Click on cell G11, first we will enter is equal to and then enter a function and then E11 delivery, okay, is equal to statement was column E is equal to yes, column E is equal to yes, column E is equal to yes. Then L11, then charges located at N11, atom is not delivered, the total will reduce relative absolute and cell references. Okay, L11 F11 L11 plus F11 and then F11. L11 enter dollar sign, shift and 4 for dollar sign, shift and 4 for dollar sign, L11 plus L11 L11 plus F11 and then F11 plus F11 is price is here and then F11, then press enter, it will be show total dues in here, you can see this. Okay, calculate the total dues. Okay, copy the function from cell G11 down through G19, down through G19. Okay, this is good now. Now question number 8 is that apply currency number format to the column G. You can select this column and then go to the number group and then apply currency number format on column G. Okay, now moving on question number 9. Insert the function in cell I11 to calculate the first customer monthly payment using appropriate relatives and absolute cell references. Place a minus sign to the left of the percent value argument so that the function returns a positive result. Copy the formula down to the column. Basically in this question we will have to insert the function cell I11 to calculate the first customer monthly payment using the appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Okay, we will have to enter a PMT function in I11. Moving on Excel workbook, question number 9. Moving on Excel workbook, click on I11, first we enter is equal to and then PMT function in cell I11 and then you can see okay, enter a formula. Formula is that L12 into dollar sign, okay, L12 divided by L12 and then divided by L13 into dollar sign, okay, L divided by L13 and then H11 and then H11 multiplying by H11 multiplying by years multiplying by L13, okay, L13 into dollar sign, okay, into dollar sign and then subtract from G11 total dues, subtract from total dues. Okay, it will be one monthly payment, calculate the total customer monthly payment. Okay, it will be calculated total customer monthly payment in here. Now copy the formula down the columns. Moving on Excel workbook, copy down the formula down. You can see this customer monthly payment will be found in here, and then copy it on the formula. Now moving on customer 10. Customer 10 is that use quick analysis to insert a function in I-20 that calculates the total of all monthly payments in column I. Moving on Excel workbook, and then you can first we will select column I and then use quick analysis tool, click on totals and then click on sum. It will be find sum in here monthly payment. Okay. Customer 11 is that apply currency number format to the column I. Moving on Excel workbook, select column I and then click on home tab and then click on number group and then select currency number format. This is good now. Then customer 12 is that type the customer name MC Goan in cell B6. Basically in this customer we will have to type the customer name in cell B6. First we will copy this name. Okay, you can copy this name and then moving on Excel workbook and then click on cell V6. Here is B6 and then you can paste name here. Okay, MC1 is here. You can paste or you can type in here this name. Okay, now moving on customer 13. Customer 13 is that use the X lookup function in cell C6 to look up the customer name in the worksheet and then return the corresponding SKU, items name, delivery option, price, total dues, years financed and monthly payment. Okay, basically in this question we will have to enter use lookup function in cell C6 to look up the customer name. Okay, we will enter X lookup function in cell C6. Okay, moving in Excel workbook and then click on cell C6. First we will press is equal to and then we will enter X lookup function. X lookup function in here. Okay, and then B6 B11 B6 B11 B19 C19 and C19. Okay, B6 B11 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 B6 B11 to the value B6 B11 and then to the value B19 to the value B19 and C11 to the value B19 C11. Okay, and then to the value C19 and then press enter. This is good now. So C6 this formula was in C6. You can copy this formula. Okay, delete this and then enter in cell C6. Okay, this formula was in cell C6. You can see this X lookup function. Okay, this is good now. You can see this. I have done this assignment 80%. For remaining question or you want to do it for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your all assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course. Okay, I can handle your complete course with A+ grade and no plagiarism, and with very reasonable price. You can see this. I have done this course for mother one student, and he got A plus grade in their assignments, exam, and quizzes. You can see this question, chapter number 5, chapter number 7, chapter number 2, 1, 4, and he got A plus grade. Okay, I am expert. I have 4 year experience in this field. I will provide you A plus grade, no plagiarism. I can do your complete course. I am also handling many students courses from USA and Canada and many more countries. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. And I am handling many students courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, math, and many more courses. Please contact me. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck. Thank you so much.